Disneyland Paris vlogs. This is day one. We just got here. We're staying at the Hotel New York. I've never been here before. I've been to Paris, Disneyland as a little kid, but not as an adult. So I'm so excited. We can't check in until 3 and it's 11:30 now. So we're gonna go wander around the hotel and make it to the park. But I need to find somewhere. I'm gonna show you my outfit. This is the fit for today. I'm matching with my ears. I got these off Shop Disney AU. We got a physical ticket because it was on the phone and Nathan didn't have one. So he wanted it home. So we're just gonna wander. We're gonna go in the New York boutique. Bonjour. One thing I kind of want to buy is a lounge flyer, but I know I will not use it at home.
Yeah, I know my card, but it doesn't have an option like
this is so
there,
cute.
Underneath as well. So like you've got your card holders and then.
How cute. How much is it?
So you get your passport. So what was saying, you come back, you're not getting there, you're gonna come back tomorrow.
Oh, 80 euro.
Yeah.
80 euro, you can stay there. Can I get it? Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
So you're not even getting it? No. Mum's gonna get it for you.
It's 35 euro. I want it. I'm gonna get one. Maybe not the Groot one. Oh, these. Oh.
So in other words, Mum and Dad's gonna get.
These are the pet pal things. These are the pet pals that go on your shoulder.
Well, so I'm gonna talk to Mum and Dad.
I have these really cute ears. Not my vibe, but cute. What else do they have in here? Oh, this is like kids stuff. Oh, they have a little Spider-Man. Disney Village Park. I literally cannot believe I'm here.
Section.
I cannot believe I'm here. Oh, they have statues. Also, it's so cold right now. It's literally 0 degrees right now. 0. Oh, that's not where we are, but still 0, and it's getting to 2 degrees. 2 degrees, and then it's going back down. This is our hotel. Literally so amazing. And then there's someone over there. I don't know who that is, but there's a lovely lake. Oh my gosh, there's literal ice. From his hand, and I don't know if you can see from his chin. Starting the trip off strong with a Starbucks. Gonna go in Disney store?
Yeah, where is it?
Yeah, right there. We can get something when we go in there. We're not going to the Disney store anymore. Nathan wants food. Also, I got an iced caramel latte. I got ice because I don't like drinking hot drinks. But look what I can see.
Oh, we're going to the other one.
So you go through security and then you either go left to... Yeah. So you go in, you go left to go to Walt Disney Studios, right to go into Disneyland Park. We're going to Walt Disney Studios.
Is that where lunch is?
That's where lunch is. I've never been so happy in my life. I can see Disneyland. I'm so excited.
That's a cookie. Do you want to make a cookie?
No, I'll get one later. This is what we're getting. Oh, they have a souvenir bucket. I don't need that. This is the thing that we got. Nathan's already, what's it called? Like chowed down on it? Is that the right terminology? What are the seeds on it?
I don't know.
It's just a ham and cheese toasty.
Oh, so good though.
It is nice because it's warm. Do you want to go left towards Marvel or right towards Toy Story? It does a loop. Let's go, keep going left. To Marvel. We have decided our first ride of the trip is Avengers Flight Force. I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called? Avengers Flight Force?
I have no clue.
We don't really know what we're in for. I think it's like a roller coaster from the picture that I saw. So it's a 30-minute wait. We're happy to wait for it. It's 12 now and lunch is at 1:45. Plenty of time.
Nous avons besoin de son aide.
He's not responding, sir. Pull down on the shoulder restraint until it locks in.
Literally was the best ride. Maybe not the best. Guardians of the Galaxy in Florida is still the best. But that ride is very similar to, what did I say it was similar to? Rock and Roller Coaster. It like literally didn't just go upside down, it literally like corkscrewed and everything. So good.
Observing signs of intelligent life. Greetings. Come in peace.
Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are late to dinner. Voila!
Mais oui, that's it!
Ne verrez jamais ce qui vous attend.
But if you look, the floor tiles are big. As we leave, they get small because right now we're a rat. We're the size of a rat. And now we're human size. Rémy! Bistrot Chez Rémy. This is the menu. You have to do a set menu, either starter, main and dessert, and you can add wine. We're just gonna do the Rémy one. I think I'm gonna get the mixed greens and the grilled steak. So this is the mixed greens. We got some walnuts. I think that's blue cheese, which I will be taking out. An egg. Oh, there's an egg. Sun-dried tomatoes, lettuce. I think that's pear. And a dressed steak. This thing. Chips. And I got a béarnaise sauce. Oh. So that cost 100. You can't even see it. €105.80. We have decided to go like wander through some shops, making our way slowly back to the hotel.
The pretzels.
There you go. You can get a pretzel because we are both very cold and we want to layer up, and we hope our hotel room is ready. So we've come to this restaurant. This restaurant It's shop. Oh, there's lollies. Oh, it's very busy. This is what I mean by the big feet. I want to get one of these. I just don't know which character yet. They're only €35. You can put a little Remy on your shoulder.
Okay.
I would love these for our kitchen. They're little tea towels. Your little espresso cup. With Disneyland Paris on the back. Oh, it's a new collection. How cute is this?
Yeah.
Cute. I don't want it, but cute. This is giving like gondola rider. Like gondola... What are they called?
Gondolier.
Gondolier. This is it. It's giving gondolier. The stripes. What's on the back? Nothing. I don't even know how much it is. I want it. So that shop was called Souvenirs de Paris. Well, I don't know. I think it's called that. There's the sign over there. Oh. It's cute. Oh. I kind of like this. This could be a potential buy. Love. So far, my favorite thing I found. I know I'd never wear this like at home, but I kind of want one to wear when I go in the future. I like this one, but it's gold and I don't really wear gold jewelry. These are cute though. I could get October, my birthday. How much are they? Well, they're red. €25. I think I like the necklace, which had the matching earrings, and the October earrings the best. Also, I don't know about you guys, if you wear a headband. Oh, my head hurts so much. Oh, these soaps, I don't know if you know, I saw them on TikTok like ages ago, and they make the little Mickey shape. This is the homeware section. Oh, stop. I love this.
Or are you gonna buy it while
This is cute. This pillow, how much is this? What's the price? Oh, €40. That's not coming home with me. I'd laugh if like I flipped to the end of the trip and I ended up buying it, because that's something I would do. I'd say it's expensive, but I'd actually end up buying it. And I've done that in the past.
Of their purchase.
Oh my god, stop. What do you think?
Without the ears, maybe.
No, it makes my head look so funny. It's €30 anyway. It's a no from me. Let's pop these ears back on. I think I found the teddy I want to buy. I think I want to get either Eeyore or These are literally huge teddies. What? Oh, there's baby Groot. Love Groot. I'm considering getting one of those shoulder like buddy things, but there's none that like interest me. We have done a pit stop. Bonjour.
Can I get one of the pretzels, please?
Oh, it's nice and soft. We're doing a pit stop. We were gonna go back, but we found pretzels and Nathan really wanted one, and now we're going to the Disney store. I think there's more Disney stuff. What's this guy's name? How do you not know? Oh, Grogu. How cute is Grogu? So cute. This one's cuter.
Amore, papà, stai qua con Riccardo e con Fabio, ok?
You have a couple that did that for a video, and they asked the person to make their lightsaber.
Nathan, they have more of the big feet, guys. I get Chip, you get Dale.
I'm okay.
No, you don't want to get Chip and Dale? But we could be matching.
I'm okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh, holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the door. You walk in, and on your left, what do we have in here? That's extra doona, or like duvet, heaps of hangers. All this space here to put our luggage, all these drawers. I don't think anything is... Oh, here's the laundry service thing. A safe. Yeah, I'm gonna assume nothing. This side is the bathroom. Oh, sliding door. Obviously, toilet, shower, towels. They have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And it's like the hotel themed. Very nice. We have a vanity set, some cute little soap, glasses. What's down here? Just the hairdryer, 2 hand towels. Amazing. This also makes me feel so good that there is a plug in the bathroom. Literally haven't even taken my bag off. I'm so excited. Then the further you go, obviously adjoining room door. Somehow in here there's a TV, but right now it looks like a big mirror. And then obviously we've got some water cups, little mini cups, and they've got their marble cups. Cute. This is obviously coffee, tea, mini fridge, empty, lovely. Little cute couch. Nathan's dumped his stuff on. Beautiful picture of, don't know who. Nathan, who's that? Black Panther. Beautiful picture of Black Panther. This funky looking lamp. This I'm assuming is a sofa bed that pulls out, but we have a little coffee table and the bed that Nathan's obviously destroyed. But Let's do a bed test. He says it's really comfy. Oh, I don't know if it's because I'm tired and my feet hurt, but this is a comfy bed. I'm gonna have a good night's sleep tonight. I just can't get over how big this room is. Like, it's literally huge. Going to, oh, the view. I haven't shown you the view. Also, there's also this other picture here. This is an overview of the room. And this is like the cheapest room. Like, we did not upgrade or anything. It's literally the cheapest one you can get here. But this is the view we have. So you can see, it's very foggy, but Tower of Terror is there. You can see the Disneyland Hotel there. So you obviously can't see the fireworks because they're behind them. But so fun. Oh, lighting is not the best. We have laid up and we are heading back out. I feel like we should explore the hotel before we go back out.
The coffee grinders in the park for Empire State Lounge downstairs.
Let's go to Empire State Lounge, get Nathan's coffee. So he wants another one. I might get one as well. And yeah, I love these. Like all this like engraving. It's like engraved. Oh, this is cool. So we couldn't go there because that's for bougie people. And we're not bougie. Only specific people can go there.
You've been talking, so I don't talk about the topic. Or I have nothing to say.
It's literally so beautiful because the sun is setting. The lights have all turned on. Literally as we left the hotel, like all the street lights along the hotels and around the water just like lit up. I was like, ah. It's literally gorgeous, but I know this photo spot, you come down here and at the end and you can get a great photo of the castle with nobody in it. So that's what we're doing. This is, I think, the only castle you can actually go through and under, but this one, there's a dragon underneath it. It's literally beautiful.
That'd be cool.
Look at the little camel seat. Headed to Indiana Jones at Le Temple de Perles. Could have said that completely wrong.
De
Perlis. Anyway, it's a 10-minute wait. So We have been using this app, Park, and it tells you like the wait times for everything. That ride was so good, but so cold. Get little wilderness explorer or Indiana Jones hats on your Mickeys. My hands are literally frozen. Tomorrow is a gloves. We did tell ourselves gloves. We said we'd wear gloves. And we said we'd bring a backpack. We did neither of those things. Next time. We've decided tonight we're just gonna wander, and whatever we like come upon that we want to go on, we'll go on. Look how pretty. Okay, shoot, what was it? We're doing Pirates of the Caribbean because it's a 5-minute wait. Honestly, the detail is so impressive, but somehow we're still like in Adventureland. And also we went through like this cave thing, and then like somehow ended up on a bridge. I don't know, and then we started walking in circles. What does that say? Adventure Isle. What the heck? Oh my gosh. There are so many things we haven't seen. Obviously. That's a silly thing. Let's do Pirates. We've ended up walking, I don't actually think it's called Tomorrowland here, but that area, like the futuristic area, and we're gonna go on Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. Oh, it's called Discoveryland. Nathan just found out. So it's not Tomorrowland, it's Discoveryland. Perfect. Who do you think's gonna win?
Me, like usual.
Now, I've been watching lots of Disney vlogs, and I know lots of tricks in the...
Well, that's not fair.
No, but in the Florida one, I know where to get the high points. I don't know if that's the same here. It could be different. We'll have to wait and find out.
Mon maître se chargera de récupérer le générateur, pendant que vous autres vous concentrerez sur les autres.
Or to determine your rank, don't forget to holster those blasters.
So Nathan did win, but we both got Ranger First Class. First Class Ranger. Yeah, we did.
That's in French.
But First Class Ranger is what we got. Like always, through a gift shop we go. I should get these. Alright. So this is the plan. We're gonna go look at the line for Hyperspace Mountain. If it's 10 minutes or less, we're going to do it. Okay, 15. I don't want to wait that long.
8-minute wait for a 15-minute line.
Yeah, we'll see.
20 minutes.
We'll have a look at it and decide, and then after that get some food because I am hungry. God, it does go up there. It's a 5-minute wait.
Does it not live?
I can't read it. I'm too short. Where are you going? This is not for Hyperspace Mountain.
Oh, it's Premiere.
No, that's also for the Orbitron.
Oh, we don't want that. No. Oh, no, I think you ate it.
I think so. Okay, 20 minutes. How would you sum up Hyperspace Mountain in one word? Intense is an understatement. Oh my gosh, that ride. You go like upside down corkscrew, literally insane. And then it was Star Wars theme and it had like the typical like dun 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 as you're like going up, which is really cool. We were saying if we were to have food and then have done that ride, we would have not been okay. And if I'm to do it again, I would not be okay. But now I'm gonna try find something to eat, but we just don't know where or what. Nathan, there's food in here. It is currently 8:41, so 19 minutes, and it's -1. We are both so cold. We've been actually standing here since like 8:15. Yeah, also this is my view from my iHome. I love being short, no?
Depuis notre enfance, on nous raconte des histoires merveilleuses. La véritable magie se trouve en chacun de nous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
Gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna eat our foods and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of Paris Disney.